You can expect a lot from the 2021 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.